Ever pondered over how to start selling on eBay? Well, fret no more. This video will guide you through the process, step by step. First things first, you need to set up an eBay account. It's as simple as going to eBay's homepage and clicking on the Register button. Fill in the required details and voila, you're now a part of the eBay community. Once you've set up your account, it's time to start listing. But before you do, make sure you understand the cost of selling. eBay charges a small fee for every item you list, plus a final value fee when your item sells. It's important to factor these costs into your pricing. Now, on to the fun part, listing your items. Start by clicking on the Sell option at the top of the eBay homepage. From here, you'll be guided through the process of creating your listing. Remember, a good listing is clear, concise, and honest. Include as much detail as you can about the item you're selling, and don't forget to add high-quality photos. Next comes pricing. There are two main pricing options on eBay: auction style and fixed price. Auction style listings start at a price you set, and buyers can then bid up from there. Fixed price listings, on the other hand, allow you to set a specific price for your item. Consider your pricing strategy carefully, as it can greatly influence your success as a seller. Shipping is another crucial aspect of selling on eBay. To keep your customers happy, it's important to ship items quickly and efficiently. eBay offers several shipping options, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Finally, once your item sells, it's time to get paid. eBay offers several payment options, including PayPal and direct deposit. Choose the method that's most convenient for you and ensure your payment details are up to date. Now, let's recap the main points. To start selling on eBay, you need to 1. Set up an eBay account. 1. Understand the cost of selling. 1. Create a clear, concise, and honest listing. 1. Set a pricing strategy. 1. Choose a shipping method. 6. Get paid. Remember, successful selling on eBay requires patience and persistence. It may take some time to get your first sale, but don't get disheartened. Keep listing, keep learning, and before you know it, you'll be an eBay selling pro, and that's it. You're now ready to start your selling journey on eBay. Happy selling!